I'm going to show you how I use shortcuts to navigate between different Claude Code sessions to work on multiple tasks at once. The first thing is to learn how to work with tmux, which is an app you can install on any terminal to navigate between multiple windows, sessions, and so on. So if I now press Alt+W, I can see all the windows I have in each session. That is, on one hand, I have Chemois working on workflow optimizations with shortcuts, etc. On the other hand, I have the habits recap, the CRM, and then I'm working on different projects like Datons, a nutrition app, and also an iPhone app. Now, how do I navigate between each one? Well, we normally work with the keyboard, and it's more comfortable to use letters based on the first ones we get in each window. For example, I have here the nutrition app, and if I click on U, it takes me there, and here I am. Now, if I press Alt+W again and click on Shell iOS, which is the iPhone app, and press F, I go to that other window and session inside tmux. All right, that's navigating between tmux windows. But what if I'm working on Claude Code conversations where I'm modifying code, improving project features, etc.? It's another shortcut, which is option Alt+E. And here I can see with the same rules that I have in the first column, sorted by last update, 34 seconds ago, the nutrition app, 7 minutes ago, the daily countdown. And if I now, for example, press the letter, go to D, it takes me to the main window I was working on before. The same would happen, for example, if I go to Chemois, working on workflow optimizations, and this is a very fast way in these times, working with artificial intelligence, doing multiple tasks at once, to work comfortably between tasks across multiple Claude Code conversation sessions, or also across different